I'm standing in Chartwell Park, which is one of the parks that is here in Chartwell, one of the nicer subdivisions in Qualicum Beach. There's about 500 homes here, and it's all level. There's underground wiring, level streets, as I mentioned, easy walking for anybody. Most of the houses are ranchers, so not a lot of steps. Great place to retire. What I like about Chartwell is its close proximity to some of the amenities. There's a dog park with a very short distance to here. The Eaglecrest is across the street with a golf course and then access to the water. Heading into town, you can go, there's a trail system that leads into town, into Qualicum Beach, or heading off to Parksville. I think Chartwell is probably one of the more attractive places for people to live here because it's one level for most of the homes, no stairs. Again, mentioned level streets, easy walking, and a great place for raising families if you need to, but better for probably more retirees because of our population. If you're thinking about making a move here in Qualicum Beach, Chartwell is a great choice.